In a ruling on Monday, Judge Eileen Cannon, the Trump-appointed judge overseeing the documents trial, made a mistake that was so bad that legal experts now say it could easily be used to get her recused from the case itself. And this decision, this ruling that Judge Cannon issued, revealed the existence of a second secret grand jury out of her jurisdiction. A grand jury that the federal prosecutors, Jack Smith, had been trying to keep under seal for very obvious reasons. This was not supposed to have been made public, and Judge Cannon, in her ruling, made it public so that everybody knows there's more going on. She also struck 2 motions from the federal prosecutors that raised, again under seal, conflict of interest issues with Donald Trump's personal valet, Walt Nada, his lawyers. So she struck those entirely in a favor to Trump and Nada, and revealed sealed information. Now, the government, in their filing, which is what caused the ruling, had been attempting to keep all of this under seal. And Judge Cannon, in her ruling, says that, wait, why are you trying to keep these things that I'm now making public under seal? I don't understand, she says. She then told them, come back, we'll do a hearing, or you make another filing by August 22nd, explaining to me why these things I've just made public should be kept under seal. Like, what's even the point now? You've revealed the existence of it, dumbass. Now, here's where we have to figure things out. Did she do this to help Trump? Like, was this an intentional sabotage? Or is she genuinely this friggin' stupid? I'm gonna go with the latter. Like, I, honest to God, don't think Judge Cannon is smart enough to be able to be this incompetent, right? Like, there's no way this is an act, especially based on the information we got about how badly she screwed up a trial just, a month and a half ago, where she forgot to swear in the jury. I think we're dealing with a total complete moron. Like, we're just dealing with somebody dumb as a box of hammers who has a job that she cannot be fired from, and there's nothing we can do. The only way to remove her from office would be to impeach her. And we damn sure don't have the numbers in Congress to be able to do that. So she's got her lifetime appointment. She clearly doesn't know what the hell she's doing. She's revealing things that were under seal in her rulings where she says, come explain why this is under seal. I don't know. I mean, I just, honest to God, cannot wrap my brain around that level of either stupidity or incompetence. Because again, it's one of those. She's either so stupid that she doesn't know what she's doing, or it's deliberate incompetence to help Donald Trump. But here is what the legal experts have to say about this and how it could lead to her recusal. This from former U.S. Attorney Joyce Vance, who says, Judge Cannon responds to the government's request for a hearing on Nada's lawyers' conflicts and discloses the existence of a grand jury investigation in another district while denying government motion to seal. The government can appeal. This may tee up the issue of her fitness on the case, looking like a good week to ask the 11th Circuit to replace the judge. Katie Fong, former prosecutor, now MSNBC host, said, if the DOJ filed under seal certain documents and Judge Cannon just disclosed the existence of an otherwise confidential grand jury proceeding, we might be at the motion for recusal stage for the DOJ. Former DOJ official Harry Littman said, I'm betting that Judge Cannon's account of the out-of-district investigation is not the full story, but hard to see how she can justify not sealing her order referring to another grand jury. Could this be a possible vehicle for taking her up and seeking her recusal? Not clear yet. So you've got former officials, former prosecutors, all out there saying, basically, if this were me, I would already be filing that motion with the 11th Circuit, seeking her recusal. It's clear she doesn't know what she's doing. Not just in this case, but as a judge in general. We have never seen a good story come out about Judge Cannon like, oh, wow, she really stuck it to, this criminal here, or she, did a thing here. Oh, the only stories we've heard about her have been horribly biased in favor of Donald Trump, or about her gross incompetence. That's not a good sign, but this is the legacy she is creating for herself, and the DOJ needs to take action and get this incompetent buffoon off the case immediately. Hey everyone, this is Aspen. And did you know that for the low cost of $0 per day, you can subscribe to the Fair and Balanced YouTube channel? We also encourage you to like, comment, and share, but again, click that subscribe button and help Aspen not be so grumpy.